et bienvenue à la deuxième partie de la leçon Comment choisir. Comment choisir. C'est-à-dire les pronoms démonstratifs. After having learned celui-ci, celui-là, celle-ci, celle-là, as, and then ceci, cela, celle-ci, and celle-là, as, this one here, and that one there. These ones here and those ones there. And of course, these ones as neutral. So see, cela, ça. This one here, that one there, this, or that. For the neutral. Here we are moving to celui de. Celui de and celle de. Ce de and celle de. Celui de and celle de. Ce de and celle de. Regardez. L'exemple says, c'est une belle voiture. C'est une belle voiture, mais je préfère celle de Marie. When you went to buy the car, the person, your friend now tells you, regarde, regarde, regarde. Là, il y a une belle voiture. Look, there is a beautiful car. There's a fine car. Look, there's a fine car. Because you want to buy a car. Yes, it's a fine car. You want to confirm that yes, it's a fine car. But I prefer that of. And then you say, oui, c'est belle. C'est vraiment belle. It is very fine. Mais je préfère celle de Marie. Very simple. Somebody has shown you something. You confirm that it is fine, but you prefer that of Mary. C'est vraiment belle, mais je préfère celle de Marie. What has informed celle de Marie here? The only reason why I've said celle de is that celle here is talking about voiture. Because what you have been shown is a car. Look at that car, it is a beautiful car. Why not take that one? No, but I prefer that of. So what are we talking about? We're talking of the car of Mary. The car of Mary. So this is a pronoun that replaces that car. Celle. So celle de is that of Mary. Très simple. Très simple. If it was not a car, we could have had l'ordinateur, a laptop. Celui de François. Celui de François. That of Francis. That of François. Celui de François. If what you are talking about, what you are demonstrating, is masculine, par exemple, l'ordinateur. A laptop, for example. L'ordinateur. What if it was more than one? What if it was more than one? If it was plural, if the cars we're talking about, we're looking at cars, we could have said celle. Celle de Mélanie. And then ceux de Greg. Very simple. So what I've only done is that we have respected gender. This is masculine singular, celui de, feminine singular, celle de, masculine plural, ceux de, feminine plural, celle de. To mean this, excusez, that of, and those of. Regardez. C'est une belle voiture, mais je préfère celle de Marie. I prefer that of, because we're talking of voiture. And that is how to use celui et celle de. Ce et celle de. Now, celui or celle plus qui or que. Plus qui or que. La voiture qu'on a vendue est celle que tu as vue hier. So when you get to the shopping lot, the car lot, and then you're talking about the car, and then you're confused. Ah, there was a car here. So what happened? Oh, the car that we sold is the one you saw yesterday. Is that which you saw yesterday? That which. That which. We can't say that. No, that which. So we now have celle que plus pronoun or noun. Celle que plus noun or pronoun. That is, la voiture qu'on a vendue hier, the car we sold yesterday, is that which you saw yesterday. If it was not a car, if it was ordinateur, which is laptop as usual, or bag, sac, would have said celui que tu as vu hier. Celui que. If it was more than one as well, we would have said ce que. Ce que. That is the books you saw yesterday. Those which you saw yesterday. Oh, where did you find these books? Ah, these books are those we saw at the market yesterday. Ce que nous avons vu hier au marché. Those which we saw at the market yesterday. Because book is masculine in gender and it's plural here. So the same way we could have celui que, celle que, ce que, and celle que. That is, that which, masculine, that which, feminine, those which. Now, when we have qui, regardez, j'aime tous les romans de Simeon, mais je préfère ceux qui se passent à Paris. Ceux qui se passent à Paris. So, what we have here is, when we have que and qui. Que comes with noun or pronoun, while qui is used with verb. when we give an example, we said la voiture celle que tu as vue. So the car we sold is the one that you saw yesterday. Celle que tu as vue hier. Celle que tu as vue hier. Where we could have la voiture que tu vois celle qui reste. What's the difference between these two? Now, we have que plus pronoun, qui plus verb. That is, the car we sold is the one you saw yesterday. That which you saw yesterday. La voiture que tu vois est celle qui reste. Is the one that remains. That which remains. So this one is qui plus verb. And then que plus noun or pronoun. C'est la différence. J'aime tous les livres de Simeon, mais je préfère ce qui se passe à Lyon. Ce qui se passe. For example, we are talking about films, where some films were staged. And then, I prefer those ones that happened, that they were staged, that happened in Lyon. Ce qui se passe. Passe, verb. The ones that happened. Regardez. J'aime tous les romans de Simeon. I like all the books of Simeon, but je préfère ce qui se passe à Paris. But I prefer those ones. Those ones that happened in Paris. Those ones. If it was not tous les romans, if it was not plural, if it was j'aime le roman, if it was j'aime le roman, so, I like the book, but I prefer the one that happened. It's a particular one. I would have said, je préfère celui qui se passe, because roman is masculine and is singular. So the same goes for celle. If roman was feminine, we would have had celle qui, and I would have had celle avec s qui if it was more than one. So, and that is the simple use of celui and celle. So this means that celui-ci and celui-là means this one here, masculine or feminine. While celui-ci and celui-là is that one there, masculine and feminine. Then we have ceux-ci and celle-ci. Those ones, these ones here rather. These ones here, this plural. And then ceux-là and celle-là, those ones there. While celui de and celle de, it is that of. Celui de and celle de, that of, masculine and feminine. Ceux-ci and ceux de and celle de. Ceux de and celle de would give us those of, masculine and feminine. Then we have celui qui, celle qui, celui qui, and celle qui. Celui qui will give us that which, while so qui, those which, masculine and feminine, those which. The same as que, but it's just that we use que plus pronoun or noun, and then qui plus verb. And these are the neutral ones. Note, ceci, cela, ça, ce qui, and ce que. Anyway, we can either it is masculine or feminine, we can decide to use either of these. Oh, which book do you want? Ceci ou cela? This one or that one? Whether it is book or biro or ordinateur or laptop, either of the gender. You can say ceci or cela. You can say ça as well. And ce qui and ce que. They are neutral. So this is a simple use. This is a simple way to demonstrate using pronouns. We have come to the end of this class, and I hope you understand and then you'll be able to demonstrate using pronouns now. Merci beaucoup et bonne journée.